All right, good afternoon, KD2YBP. It is February 15th, 2021, and we're talking about this. Who makes this? DJI Mini 2 drone. Great piece of equipment. A little on the expensive side for what it is, but it's pretty awesome. Very powerful. And my buddy Ron from work, he's my partner, steam fitting brother. He had purchased one yesterday rather, and he was taking it out for a ride. And I was telling him about some mods that I made to mine because my oldest son crashed it into a tree and kind of beat the thing up a little bit. If you see the body of the aircraft, it's a little damaged over here. This arm completely popped out, and this is now permanently affixed. Typically these things fold back for storage, but you know, whatever. I wasn't going to send it back to the manufacturer to get fixed. It would cost me an arm and a leg. I might as well just buy a new aircraft. So I figured I'd just mod this one out. Why not? I mod everything else out. How I modded it out was I put a transceiver on here. This is a FlySky transceiver, 2.4 gigahertz, that ties into this transceiver here. This is the radio control that I used with that Darrow project to articulate the skeleton, move his head and jaw and all that other fun stuff. I just reassigned it to this transceiver here to control a switch. This is a 6-channel transceiver. I only use 1 channel on it. I gooped it up with a whole bunch of hot glue to keep it watertight, and I no longer have access to the other 5 channels, which is fine because I only wanted to do one thing, and that is wreak havoc. So when I close, this is a switch basically. Think transistor, think relay, normally open. Okay, when I hit this switch on this transceiver, it will close the switch on this transceiver, and it will bring the 7.7 nominal volts that this battery is equipped to provide to these 2 wires here. And these 2 wires here are eventually going to activate an igniter, which may or may not launch rockets out of these tubes. Okay, these tubes and this skid are another mod. Okay, you can buy the skid online. The tubes are basically pen tubes for launching the rockets. They're going to be little bullshit rockets. It's not like terrorist rockets. It's more like, you know, little cheap Chinatown fireworks. And that's that.